so he's gonna bite you.
Hi, Hi, Tinkers. Hi. Don't mind my face. Break down.
Pizza's made and shit.
Hey guys. Hey YouTube. Sophie Bophie and Critter.
You guys want to see something?
Critter. Your boot is back. Get your head in, Sophie. Oh. YouTube. Don't mind my face. Don't mind my face.
He's lying without you.
I don't give a fuck. That's usually how Tyler rolled, does. Who's that?
Timmy.
Timmy.
Tommy.
I say right foot creep, ooh, walking with that heater. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see you. Catch them bad, walk down, face them with that.
Not me using my underwear to clean. We're doing a what's it called? Who knows each other better, or how well do you know me? First order of business. Cammy, you ask me a question first.
I'm literally just sitting there. I'm trying to think. When you say I'm bigger. Okay, what's my favorite color?
Okay, favorite color.
You get one guess.
Did I get a hint?
No,
we only get 3 hints throughout the whole game.
No.
Can I say it?
Is it
What's my favorite color?
It's pink.
Yeah.
3-second life challenge. Basically, can you like this video in 3 seconds right now? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, done.
What's my favorite food?
Oh my god.
Oh, I think you got it right, because you're right.
Okay. Cammy, what?
What the hell?
Yeah.
Is it really?
Yeah. I love tacos. Why does it smell like armpits? Smell this. It literally smells like armpits.
What's my favorite type of food? Okay, show us. Chicken and quesadillas. No, I mean like the
That's your favorite type,
the
though.
style of food.
Well, I don't Indian?
No, Italian. What size shoe do I wear?
Oh.
Yeah, 9.
What's
Junior.
my first?
Rejected! Yeah, you just got rejected! R-E-J-E-C-T-E-D, reject!
My first ever real boyfriend.
Is that right? Who's
Can't
my
even
celebrity
remember
crush?
again.
Not me looking like Shrek over here.
Bitch, hey, you gon' fuck or not? I told her drop her drawers, and she was gagging on her dick.
He's dated Halsey.
Oh,
And he's a singer.
Uh-huh. And he's a rapper.
What's his name?
I know.
Stop looking at my answer.
You spelled it wrong.
I don't give a fuck,
You got it
bitch. I got it
wrong.
right.
No, that doesn't count.
Yes, it does.
Nuh-uh.
Wait, first though, we have a 5-second subscribe challenge for you. Can you subscribe to this channel?
What grade was I in when I had my first kiss? Who was the worst kiss I ever kissed?
You might know this.
Shut up.
Oh my god.
I
Said no to that.
Wait,
No.
what? I didn't say no to that.
Is it this?
No.
Who is it?
Jaden.
Okay, who's my favorite YouTuber? Oh, I just said it! I was singing the song!
Wait, yeah, we do watch Mr. Beast together.
No, I was just singing the song trying to think of it, and I was
You
like,
guys, follow him on Twitch.
subscribe to Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast 6000 and PewDiePie, of course.
Yes, sir.
Jewelry shining so bright, strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you, that's.
Know this girl is somebody else's, I think I may know. She knows she bad.